So we're here at Marvel Digital. Marvel Digital.
Yes.
International Limited.
Yes.
So what does your company do?
Our company doing quite a number of new innovation products. There's, say for example, this is the 3D tablet. So this is the world first 3D tablet. It has built-in 2D to 3D conversion as well.
So it takes any video and makes 3D out of it automatically?
Yes, automatically.
How?
But of course, we have a dedicated chipset inside. So when the chipset processing is okay, convert the 2D and then create a depth information and then make it into 3D.
And that's a special chipset?
That is a special chipset, yeah.
And when is this on the market?
It will be in the market around May or June.
And this is a autostereoscopic, is a parallax barrier, or how does the 3D work?
And there's a button. There's a button inside. Okay. So when you press a button, then you will activate the 3D mode. When you activate the 3D mode, you will check the video whether it's a 3D video or not. If it is a 3D video, then you just activate the screen to make it 3D. If it is not a 3D video, then you need to convert the 3D 2D video into 3D first, and then play back into the 3D screen.
All right. And do you also do remote controls?
Yes, we are doing this one of our latest remote control, which is called the 4-in-1 remote control. On one side, it has a full RF keyboard with a mouse, and on the other side, it has a 2-page IR keyboard, which is a universal keyboard at a learning mode, so you could learn from all your existing remote control units, say for example TV set-top box, or maybe Android TV box or satellite TV, and then you input all the code into this unit, and then you only have one remote control for your home automation, home entertainment.
Nice. And this is the box you're selling now?
Yes, these two boxes we are selling now. These are all Android bases. Yeah. Android TV box. They have playback full HD video content. You can also have the movie online function, which you could search movie online, and then you can watch movie streaming movie. In addition, then you have also the global browser support.
So this one has ARM9, or what's inside?
This ARM9 chipset, yeah.
So was Skyvia, or what?
This is Skyvia, yeah.
Skyvia. And you also do Cortex A9?
Yes, we have two versions.
So there's STE and STE2.
Yes.
Which one is this?
This one is STE.
Yeah.
And the red one is STE, and the STE2. This one is STE2.
Nice. And so basically it's a full Android on the TV with this remote here?
Yes.
But how about Android 4.0?
We'll upgrade it to 4.0 later. But I think the 4.0 mainly is for the tablet application. It's not related much to the Android TV type of application.
So how about you would like to have Google TV software, no? That would be nice.
I think that will be next stage. I think once there's more information about the actual what is the development of the Google TV, then definitely we will work with them.
Do you talk about which CPU it is? The ARM Cortex A9? Is it ARM-Logic or?
We are open on that area because right now we are talking mainly to the Cortex.
Cortex, ARM Cortex A9, but maybe it's ARM-Logic inside.
Maybe ARM-Logic inside.
Yeah. All right. 1080p, all that support. And what are you showing over there?
That one is. I think you need to stop it.
So there's a. Is this the 3D autostereoscopic screen?
Yes, it's the 3D auto screen. We manufacture this type of screen sizes from 27 inch up to maybe 82 inch. Yeah. You
manufacture the screen?
We manufacture the screen, and the screen actually we buy from third party. We manufacture. We have the technology of making the normal screen into a 3D display.
So is it a layer on top?
Yes, a layer in top. Yes, you're right.
Some
optical filter.
Optical filter.
Optical filter on we stick a special make optical filter on the screen, and then we have a special software to convert to let you to create the 3D movie and then play back on a device.
Nice. So it works many angles, not only in front?
Yes, you try. It's works very well with the angle.
Do you sell many of this?
Yes, we start to working with quite a number of potential customers because we just manufacturing this. I think that early this year, which is only 2 or 3 months ago.
So here's the screen technology. You want to say more about how it works, or is it your secret? Is secret technology or is
It's actually the
it parallax
technology.
barrier or not?
The technology actually is quite, I would say, common in the market. There's either parallax or maybe the lenticular.
This is not parallax.
There's parallax.
It is parallax.
Yeah.
All right, but you put it on. You make it. And what does it say here? Is that the price? $19? No, that's not. That's
for the pizza.
For the pizza. Okay.
I think that will be the next generation of the digital signage, because right now people are using digital signage everywhere, and when you come across a LCD screen and you create 3D image, then you will attract by the screen, and then you will memorize what is the content there. So the idea is you have some 3D content and then some 2D content mixing together.
That's your business, no digital signage.
That is one of our major target, focusing this year. Of course, Marvel Digital is an international company. We have our own R&D department, and then we design quite a number of new technology, new high-tech products to the consumer market.
All right.